I've seen a door left open wide and tried to keep it shut inside. A simple hey, come in, you're safe, can change a life, can change a place. We build our fears like brick and stone, and wondered why we feel alone. So let's unlearn what hate has taught and choose the good we almost forgot. If we can talk, we can begin. If we can listen, we can win. Not over you, but over pain that keeps repeating like a chain. Build bridges, not walls. There's a hate with open palms. We don't have to match the fire. We can rise a little higher. Step by step, we learn to trust. Turn our must into we must. Bridges, not walls. Hear the call. Love is stronger than it all. I don't need you to be me, I just need you to be free. Different stories, different scars, still we're standing under stars. A handshake is a humble thing, but watch how far it makes hope swing. From I'm afraid to understand, from distant eyes to open hands. Let the tables hold more chairs, let the streets hold fewer stairs, let the hard words lose their crown. Let the kindness write it down. Build bridges, not walls. Answer hate with open palms. We don't have to match the fire. We can rise a little higher. Step by step, we learn to trust. Turn our must into we must. Bridges, not walls. Hear the call. Love is stronger than it all. Some will try to sell you anger like it's strength you have to buy, but the bravest thing is softness when the world is screaming fight. So if you're hurt, I'll meet you in the middle of that